As twilight whispers through the window, soft candlelight dances across a cluttered desk. Dust motes drift lazily under the glow of an oil lamp, and the air is filled with the faint scent of old parchment and fresh paint. Tonight's quiet evening promises to weave magic into a canvas. The artist's hand moves gracefully over the miniature figure, blending shades with meticulous care. Each stroke seems to whisper secrets of distant lands and legendary tales. The room falls silent as night descends. Only the soft rustle of paintbrush against miniature breaks the stillness. In the dim glow of a nearby candle, shadows dance around the desk's edges, casting long tendrils across the floor. The soft crackle of flames whispers nearby. Each brush stroke paints not just color, but a story onto the miniature hero, his eyes gaining a glint of determination under Alara's delicate hand. Alara's fingers move with a gentle rhythm as she blends hues into life. The miniature warrior stands alone on her desk, his armor now glinting under the flickering light of the oil lamp beside her. Shadows dance around him, casting an aura of mystery and readiness. In the soft glow of the oil lamp, Lyrian carefully outlines the armor's intricate details with a steady hand, her breath visible in the cool air as winter sets in outside. The silence is punctuated only by the faint whisper of charcoal against paper. The soft creak of old wooden floors echoes as a gentle winter breeze sneaks through the open window. She pauses, her eyes drifting to the snowy landscape beyond the pane, then back to her drawing with renewed focus and care. As snowflakes gently rest on her inkwell, Elise dips her brush into a rich shade of crimson, bringing life to the hero's cheek. The fire crackles nearby, casting dancing shadows and soft hues across her paper. As the night deepens, the warmth from the fire gradually gives way to a cool air that whispers through an open window. The light casts subtle highlights on the fine details of the painting, each stroke a testament to her dedication. She pauses to breathe deeply, savoring the quiet sanctuary of her workshop. The gentle rustle of parchment and the soft click of a paintbrush on porcelain meld into a soothing symphony. As the evening shadows lengthened, each stroke of the brush brought her closer to capturing the essence of her hero. The soft glow from the candle flickered across the intricate details she etched into the miniature figure, illuminating her dedication and passion. The night grew quiet, embracing her focus. Each stroke of her brush whispered stories to the miniature hero, capturing not just a figure, but the essence of an adventurer's soul.